It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 18th of November. I'm Michael Groff. Record or near record high temperatures will continue for the next couple of days, but a gradual cooling trend sets in here for the weekend and next week. Even so, high temperatures are still expected to stay a few degrees above seasonal averages, and we're not looking at any meaningful chances of rain for a while. Let's talk about it. Yesterday, here we go again, 92 degrees the afternoon high. Just like yesterday, that is the latest we've ever had a 90-degree temperature in the season. Also a daily record, the morning low very warm, 61. The normal high, 75. The normal low, 52. Outside now here at 5:30 a.m., another very warm start to the day. 64 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 32, relative humidity 30%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area, we've got 40s at Fort McDowell and Goldfield, but most locations through the metro are in the mid-50s to mid-60s, and yeah, you even see a few 70s, especially in our higher elevations. Thompson Peak and South Mountain sort of showing a temperature inversion at play here. The upper air look, it's a trough, ridge, trough scenario. Troughing over the Pacific Northwest and just off the west coast, a trough over the northeast and a ridge in the middle. Dry west and southwesterly flow in here, and that's going to continue for a while. Here's the watch warning map. We've got some winter weather issues over the west, some wind advisories over the Mojave Desert, red flag warnings across the Plains states. Otherwise, not a whole lot happening. Convective outlook is very quiet. No severe weather expected across the nation. And looking at the tropics, Iota is now just a tropical depression over El Salvador, but we still have a couple of areas of disturbed weather that the National Hurricane Center is outlining for at least a small chance, a 30% chance or less of developing over the next 5 days. That's over the Caribbean and one there just to the southwest of Bermuda. The next system that develops, if it does, would get the name Kappa. Closer to home, the precipitation outlook valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley, nothing statewide, and really not much to speak of region-wide. This very dry and tranquil weather pattern rolls on. And let's get into it as we take a look at modeling. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's a big trough along the Pacific Northwest coast, a ridge in the middle of the nation, and the trough departing the northeast. Down at the surface for us today with that southwest flow, we are mostly sunny and dry again. Highs upper 80s to near 90s, so we'll go for yet another record high. Tonight, the sky is clear, and with relatively dry air, overnight lows will drop into the mid-50s to low 60s. And then tomorrow, more of the same, mostly sunny sky. High temperatures might be a couple of degrees cooler, but we're still looking at the mid and upper 80s, and we'll challenge another daily record. Here's Friday. Another weak wave is approaching us from the west. It might be a small increase in clouds, but no sensible weather other than that. High temperatures mid-80s. Saturday, still likely to get into the low 80s with mostly sunny sky, but the upper heights are coming down, and so we'll see high temperatures trending a little bit cooler as we get to Sunday. Highs mid and upper 70s. Same thing on Monday as another wave passes on by, but again, all this is going to give us is just a few clouds at best. On Tuesday, we're still dry, mid-70s for the high with mostly sunny sky. Here's a week from today. This is Wednesday the 25th. The westerly flow, maybe a weak wave approaching us from the west. A few clouds, otherwise temperatures pretty close to or just a couple of degrees above average. As for Thanksgiving Day, this is Thursday the 26th. And the GFS has a real weak wave coming into the desert southwest. Even if that does come to fruition, that would just give us maybe some partly cloudy sky, and temperatures might back off a degree or two. And here's the end of the period. This is Friday the 27th. And again, ridging over much of the nation, and that looks dry for us. All right, looking at rainfall for the next couple of weeks off of the European ensemble. Not much to speak of here. The ensemble mean is about 5 or 6 hundredths of an inch, and most of the members show nothing for the rest of the month. And temperatures off the national blend of models, we are in the upper 80s today, and then we will gradually see that cool down as we head into the weekend and next week. But even at that, it looks like temperatures will still stay at least a couple of degrees above average all the way through Thanksgiving and beyond. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. It is always appreciated. You guys be safe out there. Yeah, stay cool and hydrated with these unusually warm temperatures, and have yourselves a wonderful Wednesday.